Welcome back. Samriddhi 2013, an annual National Business School meet has begun. The event started on Friday and will go until 18th August. The theme of the event is Repositioning Brand India. The 7th edition of Samriddhi revolves around the theme. The event aims at producing managers of tomorrow.
Aptitude is the fundamental thing you need, and you have it. You are being trained for that. But an aptitude with a good attitude will decide the altitude that you want to go. And I want you to go to the highest altitude. And when you want to go to a place like a moon, don't aim for moon, aim for sky.
The event will have various contests, games, quizzes based on business criteria. Eminent speakers and around 85 B schools will participate in the event. This event is organized every year by Goa Institute of Management. A reporter Uday Parab for Prudent.
Sporting Clube de Goa entered 15th year of their existence by launching a football academy and opening the renovated training ground in Panji on Friday. Sporting's initiative makes the Flaming Orange an example to follow for the other I-League clubs. Technical Director for AIFF Academies, Scott Odonnel, praised Sporting Clube for moving in the right direction.
Sporting Clube de Goa, in association with Don Bosco, launched SCG Football Academy, and this top-class training ground was inaugurated in the school complex on Friday morning. AIFF Technical Director for Academies, Scott Odonnel, praised Sporting.
On behalf of the All India Football Federation, it's something that we've wanted to happen for a long time, and it's great to see Sporting Clube de Goa setting the example for all the other I-League clubs, because the AIFF should be focusing on the elite part, and we rely on the clubs in the States to be doing academies such as this.
This football academy is a dream project of Sporting Clube founder and president Peter Vaz.
We at Sporting, we realize that our children or the students of Bosco's and now players, they require access to quality infrastructure, quality coaches and quality competition. With these three things in mind, when we approached Bosco's, we had an instant response, and we thank them for giving us the opportunity of doing up this ground.
Sporting Clube head coach Oscar Bruzon emphasized on academies' endeavour to produce good citizens.
I think that the sport is very related with the education and the values of life. We are part of your community, and we will try to help your students, and at the same time build a big professional academy for different levels, not only for Don Bosco, Panjim, Goa, India.
Youngsters had fun as they played their favourite game during a football festival on the occasion.
I have with me the in charge of the Sporting Clube de Goa Academy is Javier Fernandez from Spain.
A very different culture, different level, different infrastructures. Everything is different here in India. But if we compare it with Spain, it's very different. We'll have 5 categories: under 10, under 12, under 14, 16 and 18. And what I want is that under 10 and under 12 categories will have 3 coaching sessions a week. Under 14 and under 16 maybe 4, and under 18 5.
With the launch of SCG Academy, we can hope that our players will be as technically good as they are in Spain.
Technically the same level, you mean? Here.
Can our players go to that level?
Yeah, for sure. Because of that we are here. No?
Absolutely. So there you go. The goal is to produce technically sound players for future, as we are all seeing on television the Spanish players, brilliant technical players. With video journalist Tushidas Chari, this is Neeraj Prabhu from Panji for Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, don't worry. If you have an Android-based phone, just download our app and watch the latest news from Goa whenever you want. Just go to Play Store and type Prudent. With this, we conclude this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.